Welcome to Caltech Buddy. Press right and solve faster. Let's go! Calculator techniques for even or odd functions. Tara! Okay, before we discuss kung ano yung even tsaka odd functions, i-recall muna natin yung definition ng function. It is a rule that assigns exactly one output to each input. So para madaling intindihin, if you have a machine, nandoon yung function rule, so maglalagay tayo ng input, and then applying the rule, magkakaroon tayo ng output. So that's a function. So ang part ng functions natin is like this. So f of x equals a x squared minus 4x plus 1. Yung f, again, that's the name of your function. Yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, that's the input, the independent variable. Yung f of x, yun yung pinaka-output after you apply yung rule na x squared minus 4x plus 1. Okay. So how do I know kung yung function natin is even or odd? So meron niyang sinusunod na rule para malaman kung odd or even. Ang definition ng even function is yung f of x equals sa f of negative x. Even siya. In terms of drawing or graphing, symmetric sa y-axis. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng even function. At nasabi mo namang odd function, yung negative f of x should be equal sa f of negative x. In terms of graphing, at sabing odd, symmetric yan sa origin, assuming na pag nirotate mo siya 180 degrees from the origin, the same sila. Okay, yun ang ibig sabihin ng odd function. So, evaluation lang ito. Titingnan mo lang talaga dapat. Okay. In terms of moving, ganito yung ibig sabihin ng even function. So, symmetric sa y-axis. Sa odd function naman, pag pinaikot natin sa 180 degrees from the origin, the same yung itsura nila. So, ganun yung odd function. Yung iba, tinitignan yung exponent. Pag yung exponent even number, even function. Pag yung exponent odd number, odd function. Sometimes, tama yung mga yun. Pero, hindi all the time kasi may mga kasama pa yung variables involved. So, mas maganda kung gamitan ng Caltech. Huwag nyo na lang tingnan yung exponent basta-basta. Kasi sometimes tama, sometimes mali. Okay? So, gamitan natin yung Caltech para laging tama. So, ang Caltech natin dito is very simple. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, i-divide nyo lang yung f of x sa f of negative x. Kapag nag-equal sa 1, even. Kasi nagkataon equal nga yung dalawa, so dapat mag-positive 1 yan. Pero kapag yung f of x over f of negative x is negative 1, so this time negative 1, no? Then that's the time magiging odd. Pindutin nyo lang si calculator, dalawang f of x. Yung isa x, yung isa negative x. So pag positive 1, again, it's an even function. Pag negative 1, it's an odd function. Hindi saktong 1, whether positive or negative, hindi 1 talaga. Ang isasagot nyo, neither odd nor even. Okay? So there are 3 possible answers. Positive 1, even. Negative 1, odd. Hindi 1, whether hindi siya positive 1 or negative 1, hindi ganun yung value. Ang sagot, neither. Okay, let's have an example para mas okay. We're going to write this function. 4x raised to 7 minus 3x raised to 5 plus x is anong klaseng function? Since yung mga exponent niya odd number, probably this is an odd function. Pero syempre, para sigurado, gamitin natin yung Caltech. So, pipindutin nyo lang naman as is. So, sa taas yung original or x raised to 7 minus 3x raised to 5 plus x. Sa baba, papalitan yung x ng negative x. So, ang ginagawa ko dyan, para hindi ako malito, ulitin ko lang muna. 4x raised to 7 minus 3x raised to 5 plus x. Binulit ko lang talaga, and after ko siyang mapindot, tsaka ako na lang nilalagyan ng parenthesis at negative. So, parenthesis, negative. Kalimutan yung parenthesis. Parenthesis plus negative. then parenthesis, tapos negative. So, para hindi ko talaga makalimutan. So, ganun lang siya. Then, pag na-input niyo na correctly, as is, press cut. Magtatanong ng values for x, any number is okay. Kahit anong numero, okay lang. And then, check the result. Upon evaluating, ang makikita niyo result is negative 1. Again, kapag negative 1, add function. So, tama yung ating initial guess na this is an add function. Kasi nga, yung mga exponent add. Pero again, mas maganda kung i-double check. Okay, next. About this, so square root of x squared plus 4. So, initial guess ko is even, pero mas maganda kung sigurado. So, pindutin lang siya as is. So, sa taas is square root of x squared plus 4. Sa baba, square root of x squared plus 4. Again, okay niyo muna. Sa dulo na lang ilagay yung parenthesis as negative. Okay, so pipindutin lang correctly. And then calc. Tatanong ng x, any value is okay. So, point 1, for example, equal sign. Pagka equal sign nyo, you see na positive 1. Again, pag positive 1, even functions. So, the correct answer is even. So, tama yung initial guess. Pero again, mas maganda kung evaluate para sigurado. Last, about this function. So, ito, di mo na ito matsatsambahan basta-basta kasi sine tsaka cosine ito. So again, evaluate na lang natin using Caltech. So sa taas is the original function, sin x plus cosine x. Sa baba, copy the function, sin x plus cosine x. Pero again, yung positive x gawing negative x. So huwag lang kalimutan gawing negative. Okay. Then press cut. Magtatanong ng x, any number. Pwede? Basta hindi mag-commit error. And then equal sign. Now, pagka equal sign ko, hindi siya plus or minus 1. Ibang number lumabas, may butal siya, no? So, basta hindi siya equal sa 1, whether positive or negative, not equal sa 1, ang dapat isagot is neither. Yun talaga kasi yung correct answer. Pag hindi siya equal sa 1, whether positive or negative. So, I'm hoping natutunan natin ito. Again, practice na lang siguro. This is your Caltech Buddy. Okay, thank you. If you have any questions or clarifications on anything we discussed, feel free to leave a comment and we'll be happy to respond. To God be the glory. This is your Caltech Buddy. Math made easy with shortcuts, tips, and calculator techniques. Bye!